So, we've come a long way since we started our discussion on the private sector legal structures, and I promise you we're about near the end. Today, we will discuss the last type of legal structure that a company in the private sector could have, and this structure is known as a holding company. Okay, and that is what our discussion for today will be about. Now, firstly, what really differentiates a holding company from all the other types of companies is that a holding company does not produce anything. They don't have a product they will be selling. There's nothing that is linked to its operations that will translate into an actual good or a service. They are not in the business of making products. However, what they are in the business of is owning and controlling other businesses. And an example of such a company is Engro Corporation Limited. Engro is a holding company, and what this company is responsible for doing is owning and running other companies that are also owned by the Engro Corporation. Now, those of you who are aware of the brand Engro, you might have also heard that Engro has a company called Engro Chemical. Okay. Now, Engro Chemical by itself is a fully functioning public limited company. They're listed on the stock exchange. You can buy their shares. They have their own CEO. They have their own workers. They have their own product. Clearly, their products would be chemical. Engro Food is another example of a business owned by Engro, which of course deals with food products and consumer items, things like milk and sugar. Then there's another side of Engro which owns Engro Polymer, which is mainly to do with another type of chemicals. Then there's also Engro Power Gen that deals with all the different energy sources through which, of course, things like coal, things like electrical vehicles, solar panels. They also deal with LNG, which is a liquefied natural gas. So they deal with different sources of energy. That's also one of their business, which falls under the name of Engro Power Gen.
If you're finding value in this explanation, there's so much more to discover. At Alt Academy, we break down every A-level concept with the same level of clarity. Now, let's continue.
They have another business by the name of Engro Fertilizers. And of course, this is stuff that is used in agriculture, used for making your soil more bountiful and getting a bigger crop as a result. So Engro by itself is a huge company, and they have multiple businesses, as you can see some of the examples here. But what Engro Corp does is not just manage chemicals, not just manage food, not just manage anyone, but collectively Engro Corp is responsible for managing all the businesses together. So Engro Corp is sort of like an oversight, sort of somebody looking down on these companies and trying to make the best possible decisions which benefits the whole company. Not just any one business, not just chemical, not just food, but how can you make sure that as a company we are moving forward and making the best possible use of our resources. Now, what holding companies allow you to do is you can move people from within the organization from one business to another. Now, if this was not being run by one common business, it's just Engro Corp in our example, then you would have to bring in people from outside to replace maybe an underperforming CEO of Engro Foods, for example. But if you are within the same holding company, you know that you have other companies such as the chemical side of Power Gen. And let's say the CEO of Power Gen has done a really good job with that side of the business. You can move someone internally from one type of business to another without getting any new person to come from external sources and trying to bed them into the ways of the business. That will take a long time. So movement of workers within the holding company is made easier. And on top of that, let's say Polymer needs some money. Okay, if you can find another business within the holding company which has been doing well, let's say fertilizer has been making a lot of profit, you can transfer some of those earnings from fertilizers to Polymer to bring this business also up to pace. So holding companies are simply there to organize, manage, and follow one collective objective of the company as a whole, which will be done by Engro Corporation, which is the holding company in this scenario. And all the other ones, these companies which are owned by the holding company, are called subsidiaries. Okay, I'm just going to spell it out for you here. Subsidiaries, subsidiaries, subsidiaries. And all these businesses, the ones that you see in blue, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one, are all subsidiary businesses owned by the holding company, Engro Corporation.
Now that that's taken care of, head on over to altacademy.org to watch the rest of our A-Levels business videos. Over 60,000 students have already taken the leap. What are you waiting for?